Hello?
Hello?
Hi. I was just calling because I live down the street from you and your daughter come to my house today and she kicked my dog.
What?
This is her pal.
My daughter kicked your dog?
Your daughter come to my house today and she come on my property and then she kicked my dog. And
You're
now my
full of
dog
it.
needs operation.
You are so full of it. My daughter did not come on your ground and kick your dog. You get the right person?
You don't act stupid.
You don't act stupid. My daughter did not kick your dog. You come down here and I'll have you talk to my husband.
Shut up. You
don't tell me to shut up.
Please.
Hey, what?
You're going to go to jail.
No, you're going to go to jail. I'll kick your little butt right now.
Shut up, you stink.
Guy from India.
You know damn right. You bastard.
Dog, and he's been
Who's
calling
this?
talk to me.
Who's this?
You've just been pranked by PrankDial.com.
Someone's pulling a prank on you.
You've been pranked by PrankDial.com.